gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I got this braid. I am at my shoot now, so make sure you guys are liking, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this type of video. I wanted to do a voiceover video because I felt like voiceovers were a little more easier and I didn't have to talk during the video because I was really struggling, as you will see. But yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe and keep watching to see this braid, how I got it and how I did it. Okay guys, so we're jumping right into this video. I'm using this Mael Organics hair milk. Everything that I use will be linked down in the description box below, so make sure you're checking that out. To lay my hair down, I'm using the Shine Jam. I got it from the Beauty Supply store. I don't know the specifics, but I will link it down so you guys can use it. It's not that bad. It just kind of it's kind of like difficult to get, you know, all through your hair and like spread it out, if that makes sense. But I'm just like gonna put this on my head and get my brush. I was using a soft bristle brush because those are just like all I had on hand, and I also use this hard bristle brush, but for this I'm just going to be using the soft bristle brush to start out and braid it out. I did comb my hair out, and I will tell you guys, please make sure you guys aren't starting from either wet hair or kind of blown out hair, because I started from my hair being in braids and I had to comb it out, and it was absolutely the worst thing to do. So when I'm doing this, well, if you guys are doing this, I recommend you guys using blown out hair or wet hair to start off. Okay, so now I'm going to just brush my hair back into the ponytail. I was using one scrunchie, guys, and let me tell you, do not use one scrunchie if your hair is thick. I repeat, if your hair is thick like mine, do not use one scrunchie. Please use two. I had to use two because one broke, and that was tragic. So yeah, I'm just going to just, you know, do this, brush it back. Control. I use True Edge Controller and this Edge Fix, the Sweetie brand. I forget who she did the brand collab with, but I will link everything down in the description box below. I just use this edge brush that I got. It's like a double-sided one. It has a comb on the back and the brush on the front, and then it has another piece on the end. I'm really just using the brush because I don't have baby hairs, so I was just like making sure the front looks good. That was really the only part that I cared the most about, because for my photo shoot I just want my front edges to look the best. The back, I kind of just used this braiding hair that was natural, so I wanted it to look like I naturally put it down, since my hair was already, you know, in like super thick mode. So that's how I did that.
Oh my God!
So having thick hair issues, that's what just happened in the last clip. I had to re-add the scrunchies. The one scrunchie broke, so off camera I had to add two scrunchies in one. Thank God I even found two. So now we're going to move on and finish up, like, you know, do the little extra tendings to the edges and my hair. Also keeping in mind that I'm not taking down my scrunchies. So I'm working with what I have. Off camera, I had to apply my scarf because it was just getting really hot in my bathroom. But guys, trust me, I will redeem myself in the next tutorial for this. I just really wanted to put out a tutorial of me doing this for the first time and my struggles, because we all have them. So we're just going to watch me finish it up. Okay, moving on, what I'm doing is separating the parts from the hair. I'm using the Jamaican twist braiding hair. It's the extra long hair. I will link it down for you guys to get. I have yet to find actually it online, so I will try my hardest with that. But yeah, I'm just separating it. It's so hard to separate because it is very thick, coarse hair. So it took me a minute. I had to take some time to make sure the bottom did not tangle as much, even though it's still tangled. So that's just what we're going to do with this little segment. And I had to use my hair, like I said, and I will say it for a third time, guys. Make sure your hair is either blown out or it's wet, okay? Because my hair was super thick starting out with this braid, and it definitely was not it. It was not very cash money of this hair. You see it's like tangling up. So yeah, helpful tips, which I will link down in the description box for you guys to know some tips about this style. Okay, so I'm using this cannabis infused eco style gel. It actually is not good for your edges, like not in the ways of holding it down. It's actually just good for like braiding purposes because I used it to do my twists and it kept my hair molded together. So I didn't put too much because I don't know, I just didn't want gunky hair. So I'm just applying it to my hair to kind of like melt it down with the braiding hair. This is definitely the hardest part of this because keeping it separate, like as you can see, it's kind of like tangling up and like getting in with each other. So making sure the hair was separated and parted correctly. Also, while like starting the braid in the back was the hardest. So yeah, this hair I definitely don't recommend if you are using it to do this braid because it just tangles, especially if you're trying to do like a quick style. This is just like unnecessary, and the shedding is like ridiculous. Okay, so now I am getting to the end of the braid, and because I'm getting to the end, it is now almost time to cut this braid. So that's what I'm doing in this clip, just cutting the braid and kind of picking the ends out so it can be more teased and stuff. It doesn't take much for this hair to be teased, so all I really have to do is take out and comb it a little bit and tease it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had fun making it. I really like this hairstyle. I think I might wear it again, try again another day with maybe different style of hair. I don't know yet, but I am wearing this for a couple more days. I'm going to be doing a different style, so make sure you guys are subscribing and turning on your post notifications so you can know when I upload, because you'll definitely be excited about the next videos. Also, make sure you guys are following me on all my social medias. Keep up with me there, sis. I post what I don't post on YouTube. We can be friends. This braid took like forever, but the pictures came out amazing for the shoot, and I had to wake up really early, but you guys will see the pictures on my social media, on my Instagram, so follow me there. Yeah, everything that I used in this video will be linked down in the description box below, so make sure you guys are looking down there. I drop gems. Look, I will not steer you wrong, says I love you. I would never steer you wrong. So definitely make sure to check down there. And also, big announcement that I forget to say at the end of my videos. I know you're thinking like, what the hell? Get to the point. Okay, so big announcements. Basically, I have written my own book about business. So it's the It Girl's Guide to Starting Her Own Business. And hold on. If you guys already have a business, these are things, refresher tips for you, because I feel like even though you might have a business, your business might, you might be doing something different. You might want to start a new business. You might want to take a different approach. So this It Girl guide will help you. I have researched and done many of these things that I posted in, that I've written about in my book. So make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram so you guys can keep up. It's really just my main Instagram and my graphic design Instagram. And I post, about my book. I will link down the book in the description box below. It is $10 on Kindle, and if you need it to be cheaper, let me know. Due to COVID, I do want you guys to invest in yourself. It gives you the guide to social media, to how to get your tax ID number, how to market, what to sell. I literally give you a list of things to sell. And because I am very generous when it comes to the knowledge that I have learned, I have also given you guys a vendor list for those who want to go into boutiques or online stores, whichever you want to call it. No judging, but I definitely have given you guys vendors, so make sure you check that out as well. Everything that you need will be linked down in my description box below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Turn on your post notifications so you can see when I upload, which is weekly now. So I have a posting schedule. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, my loves. Welcome to the squad. Bye, It Girls.